Hello, this is my presentation for IM 639. Um, this is based, this is from an event that happened about a year ago. I was trying to buy tickets for the 2018-2019 season at the Orpheum Theater in Minneapolis, and both of the musicals that are pictured below were popular that season. And I'm referring to Dear Evan Hansen and Hamilton. The website crashed as apparently a lot of people wanted tickets. The problem was that due to the popularity of those shows, or I think it was more Hamilton, but still, due to the popularity of the shows, the website received a lot of views that day, and this was unfortunate because there are many patrons who do not live in the cities and can't wait in line at the box office, or don't have time to wait around for a phone call, so therefore purchasing the tickets online is their only option. This desired performance was, since it would be downright impossible to create an uncrashable browser, yes, I've checked, and it's not possible unless someone creates a really, really strong software. I thought the best desired performance would be to have the crashed website fixed within at least 20 minutes. Okay, so in 2015, Hamilton begins to receive praise pre-Broadway, or off-Broadway is what they call it, and it opens on Broadway after completing a successful off-Broadway run. In 2016, Hamilton wins multiple Tony Awards, including Best Musical. And then in 2017, Hennepin Theater Trust announces that Hamilton will be a part of the 2018-2019 Broadway season, and patrons who purchase season tickets for the 2017-2018 season will be guaranteed a seat. Ticketmaster is the company that sponsors the tickets, and when the 2018-2019 season tickets went on sale, the website basically crashed, and of course the theater blamed robot scalpers. The typical audience for this instructional intervention would have been theater staff, box office, IT, and board of directors, or they would have been the stakeholders, I guess. Okay, here are two instruments that I used. Well, one I did use, one I would have used. The left would be for the Hennepin Theater employees, and I chose a mismatched survey because I wanted to know if they knew or thought the website crashing was a problem. One of the questions it asks, how do you feel about the following statements? And then one of the questions says, then it says, have them say that they strongly agree, neutral, disagree, or strongly disagree. And the first statement was, I am familiar with purchasing theater tickets online. And another one was that theater associates should be able to give theater goers their tickets in a timely manner. And then my other instrument was just a survey that I sent to Husky Tech because I didn't hear from the proper theater department. I mean, I heard from the theater, and they sent my email to the people in the theater that would have been able to handle it, but those people never contacted me, so I tried Husky Tech. And Husky Tech was basically the next best thing. My Husky Tech survey asked, on a scale of 1 to 7, how likely do you find the following to be true? And the statement was that every company with an online department needs training on what to do if the website crashes. And I'll go over the answers in the next slide to that one, the answer to that one. And then the next two were just questions that said, does the company have a protocol in place for what to do in case the website crashes? And this was for in case the theater responded, so it was not included in my findings report. The second question was, what are the steps to take if the website crashes? That one is going to be the basic answer to that one will be in the job aid, which we will go over shortly. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that the theater did not contact me. Husky Tech, however, did. The response to answer number 1 was very likely, or 7. They said that a company that hosts a website should have protocols in place for when their website crashes, and if they do not, Then, if they do not like host the website, then they should at least know who to contact. Okay, so based on the survey answers, theoretically, I would recommend to the Hennepin Theater employees a job aid or maybe on-site training. And I'm going to go over the job aid that I designed in the next slide. Okay, well, this would basically show the learners like what to do in case the website crashes. Step 1 is determine the extent and like how much of the website is broken. Is it fully broken, partially broken, or one page? And then step 2 is if you can, if it can be recreated by you, then solve the issue. Like if it's a specific error or like the wrong address. I think that's what he meant. And then step 3, if fix it, if not, reach out to the employee, and if you can't recreate it, basically reach out to the employee that reported the issue and go over the steps with them. And then step 4, you document what you did, like write down the steps you took to fix the problem and write down checks and balances, which I'm guessing is a list of what you can do if this happens again. And then let IT and staff know of the potential error. And then step 5 is the update. Like, tell the customers, especially the one that reported the issue, that the problem has been solved and it would be resolved. I hope you guys enjoyed my survey. Thank you for watching it.